This Ramzan special begins with something that will test your self-control. Look at this. I barely touch this piece and it just falls apart. If mutton breaks this easily, you already know we have done something right. This is not your regular thick masaledar curry. This is a royal, silky, lightly spiced Nawabi style marag that feels like it came straight from a Hyderabadi dawat. रमज़ान के दौरान ये एकदम perfect होता है. Light on the stomach but full on flavor. Today we are making Hyderabadi mutton marag. Gravy that looks simple but tastes like it has generational blessings in it. Do you know marag comes from the Urdu word marak, which simply means broth or soup. It is traditionally served as a starter, almost like a royal mutton soup that you scoop up with bread. Now that I have tempted you enough, let us actually cook. Into the mixer, loads of fresh coriander and green chilies. Grind it into a smooth paste. Now, pressure cooker on the stove. 2 tablespoons of ghee. Please, ghee hi daliye. This is not the time to be diet conscious. And as the ghee melts, in go whole spices. Star anise, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, black peppercorns, and let them sizzle for a minute. That is basically the spices saying Ramzan Mubarak. Then 3 long sliced onions and some salt. Salt helps them cook faster and we are not here to wait forever. And just when it turns translucent, add ginger and garlic paste. Stir until the raw smell disappears. And now that vibrant coriander chili paste goes in. And I always rinse my mixer jar and add that water too because flavor waste karna paap hai. All of this cooking happens on high flame. Add a little turmeric powder and suddenly that green turns into this gorgeous golden green shade. Already looking royal. Now comes the main character. When this much mutton goes into the cooker, it feels like you are hosting a dawat already. Mix it well so that every piece is coated in masala. Remember, flame is high and I am stirring continuously. Cooking mutton is serious business. Then in goes thick curd. This is not the time to scroll Instagram. If you stop stirring, masala will remind you who is the boss. You will see how the mutton will start releasing its own water. That is natural juices coming out. We keep cooking. First you see liquid, then slowly it reduces. The masala thickens and clings beautifully to the mutton. This stage is so satisfying to watch. Now we add 2 cups of water. Give it a nice stir. Look at that gravy forming already. It's time to close the pressure cooker. Continue to cook on high flame till the first whistle and then 15 minutes on low flame. After that, turn off the gas and let it cool naturally. Cooker को भी थोड़ा rest चाहिए. While that is cooking, in a mixer, soaked almonds, soaked cashews and milk go in. Grind it till smooth and creamy. This paste is what makes marag feel luxurious without being heavy. यही उसका secret glow है. Now a quick tiny break. If you are enjoying this recipe, tap like, share it with your food-loving friends and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any of the cookware I use, links are in the description. Simple, easy, helpful. Now back to our marag. That moment when you remove the whistle and open the cooker is always slightly dramatic. But today, perfect pressure, perfect timing. That aroma, oof, and look at that. The mutton is cooked beautifully and the gravy has reduced just right. Now in goes the almond cashew paste. Along with that goes in Shahi Garam Masala. Mix everything well so that creamy paste blends into the gravy. As soon as it mixes, you can see the texture changing. Little rinse of the mixer jar again because we do not waste flavor in the kitchen. Adjust salt and let it simmer gently. The gravy starts bubbling softly. Not too thick, not too watery. With time, the gravy becomes silkier and smoother. And see how the gravy flows back. That is the exact consistency marag needs. Elegant, pourable, rich. And now look at this piece of mutton. I press it slightly and it just gives in. No fight, no resistance. This is the kind of tenderness we all deserve in life. Fresh coriander on top and that's simple finish. And now it's plating time. Pouring this beautiful marag into a bowl, see that creamy texture? It is not shouting with color, but trust me, the flavor is doing full performance. This is the kind of dish where people go quiet on the table. और जब सब चुप हो जाते हैं, समझ जाओ खाना हिट है. Serve it as a soup or have it with a bread of your choice or with rice. And that bite, smooth gravy, tender meat, subtle spice. It does not attack your taste buds, it hugs them. Make this Hyderabadi mutton marak for your next special meal, especially during Ramzan, and watch how quickly the bowl empties. I will see you in the next recipe. Till then, keep stirring, keep smiling, and let your kitchen smell like royalty. Bye.